Join Good News Jamaica as we go around and tell the phenomenal story of Jamaica and Jamaicans globally.
Everywhere me go, my car juke me. But believing is the first step to achieving any goal, and the most important ingredient is believing in you.
To be inspired is great, but to inspire others is an honor. One of the greatest things we can do in life is to inspire others to be the best versions of themselves.
So what about you? Do you believe? Are you inspired? So come, let us transform one person, one household, one community at a time. Come with me.
$1 is all we're asking for. Help us continue to create amazing content about a phenomenal nation family. We want you to help us celebrate us.
Please donate to the Patreon and PayPal accounts.